Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning back. So today we're actually gonna replace something. The stock handbrake, it cracked right here from the very bottom all the way to like about right here. I'm gonna replace it with this CNC hydraulic e-brake. So I don't have a tripod that has the ability to hold the GoPro, so try to stay with me here. I got zip ties. I got a tripod for a normal DSLR camera. I'm gonna zip tie the GoPro onto here. If you can't really see that well, I'm sorry, but it's the best I got right now. Later on I'll invest into the tripod mount for the GoPro, so let's get to it. The reason I'm taking the seat out is because a hydraulic master is actually hitting the seat. So the only way I can replace it is removing the driver's seat. So that's the end of the video. I'm pleased with the new hydraulic e-brake. It's definitely stiffer. It's definitely stronger. All I can say is thumbs up. The only problem I have, it doesn't have to do with this. My rear drum cylinders or wheel cylinders are leaking, so my actual shoes are covered in brake fluid. I'm gonna try to repair it, but honestly I'm getting real tired of these drums. I keep popping those cylinders, and I have the S13 rear subframe ready to go. It's just I'm waiting on the availability of the person that's gonna install it. It's not my fault. I'm waiting on them. I'm trying to get rid of this drum as quick as possible because, how I said, if I go to the track or it pops on normal driving, where there goes that. But for sure I'm having issues with the rear end locking up because of that. It's just sliding since there's no friction. But overall, This hydraulic e-brake, I highly recommend it. I love it for the design, how stiff it is. Look at that. And it matches my window crank. So, good job, DND. Love this. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching and tuned in until next time. Peace.